To start using Browserflow, the first thing we need to do is install a community node because at the time of this recording, Browserflow is not actually natively supported by n8n. However, by the time you watch this recording, it may well be a native n8n app, in which case you will not need to follow these steps, the community node steps. You can skip ahead to when we set up the credentials. But if you're going to create a community node or install a community node, we need to come down to settings. You're going to come through here to the community nodes. Now you can see I have it already set up, but this is what you're looking for. You can go to install and click into browse. This is now going to browse a repository of nodes, community nodes that you can install in your n8n. So we're just going to do a search here for Browserflow. And as we can see, there it is. We just need to copy this name now. Then you can X out of here, copy this name, click into here, install the package name, click I understand, and install. Now mine's already installed, so I'm going to skip ahead, but this will install the Browserflow community node on your n8n. Once it's installed, it will show here. You may need to refresh your browser in order for it to reflect, but if we head back over now into our workflow here and we pull into the tray and we search for Browserflow, it will show. Now at the time of recording this video, it's brand new. Browserflow has just been released. That the community node is brand new and there is an error. I have been in contact with their support. They're aware of this, where the icon, the Browserflow icon, is not showing. So we're seeing a broken image here, but it is still fully functional and it does work. So the next step we need to go through here now is to get a credential. So we're going to go and create a new credential for this, and we need an API key. So in order to get an API key, we need to head over to Browserflow itself. So let's do that. Here I'm at Browserflow, browserflow.io/n8n. They've got nodes for both Make and n8n. We're going to get started here. Now, it's jumped right to last steps for me because I have set this up before and then deleted my credentials and come back. You may have a few steps before you get into this where it asks you a couple of questions regarding your how you discovered Browserflow, size of your business, and you'll be asked to load up a credit card as well. It does give you a 7-day free trial. As long as you cancel before the 7 days are up, it won't be a problem, but you will need to load your credit card, just fair warning. Then at this step here, we now need to connect our LinkedIn. So what you do here is connect this LinkedIn, click the Connect LinkedIn button. It's going to load a little browser window within your browser window. And you're going to be asked to log in. Now, Browserflow is not actually saving your login credentials at all. All they're doing is actually saving the cookies that come with your login, and then they're going to use those cookies to generate an API key. So when you get to this, you'll need to put in your email and your password for your LinkedIn and sign in. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll click connect LinkedIn, and if everything went according to plan and your details are correct, this will now show you as logged into LinkedIn. I'm now signed into LinkedIn. I can connect LinkedIn. So step 1 and step 2 are successful. As I've loaded this before, it's not showing me the screen you will see for the first time, but on this section here, it will have a link, much like it has this link here for join our Discord channel. It's going to have a link to generate an API key. You can click onto that link. It will generate an API key. I want you to copy that API key, return then to your n8n, and fill in this API key and pop it in there, hit save. I've done this before, so if we click into my credential that is created already and we edit it, we will see something like this. Rename your API key to something you can recognize, and this will give you full functionality within Browserflow and n8n.